My name is Mtshautshumbe. This is where I work. What I do here, I help the people to join our affordable funeral cover from AVBOB. I started the business because I'm close to the people, and the people, they don't have to travel like far, they just come to my house. I started the business because I'm close to the people, and my business is open 24/7. AVBOB makes a very big difference to people of South Africa, because some people, they can not even save money in order to bury their loved ones. So if you just pay that little premium to AVBOB can make a very difference to your life. My name is Mtshautshumbe. This is where I work.